Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How to fix Discord bot commands not working.
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
If Discord bot commands are not working, it could be due to various reasons. And here's a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix the issue. So firstly, ensure that the bot is online and operational. Some bots have status commands like exclamation, status, or exclamation point, ping, that you can't use to check if the bot is responding. Another tip, make sure that the bot has the necessary permissions. Check the bot has to read messages, send messages, and other required permissions. Now, in the following guide, navigate to the user settings, proceed to the accessibility tab, and then go ahead and scroll down to locate the use the legacy chart input. Disable this option to help resolve issues with Discord bot commands not functioning. If the problem persists after trying these steps, reaching out to the bot developer or support community for assistance would be a good next step. They may provide more specific guidance based on the bot you are using.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.